What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, or tonight, I'm back at Ace Cafe. It's for the Orlando Bimmer Club. Gonna check them out. I've been wanting to come out to some of their meets for a while. I tapped in with a few of the homies and basically in their community, the YouTubers. So I definitely want to come out, say what's up to them, and show them some love. Funny thing, we're gonna be here again tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna get this video up the same day of, so by the time you see it, I don't know, it's gonna be Saturday. Saturday, March 25th that we're gonna be back here. But yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so yeah, I'm over here with the non-Bimmer squad. There was no spots on the outside, which is where I would usually park, but let's go ahead and get into it. I've seen quite a few dope cars already, so let's take a look. Also, let me know what car is your favorite, as usual. And if you see your car or your homie's car, or somebody you know, make sure you go ahead and let them know. Share the video with them. We'll go ahead and start off in the front. Got a little distracted. I'm gonna check that out too. I'm gonna come this way. Sheesh. That detail. Oh, just felt some rain, or raindrop, I should say. That's my color right there. Very clean. Hard to focus on where to go.
What's the best for burgers?
And this is the car I've wanted to see. I'm gonna definitely have to go and find him. Very clean. Looks even better in person. But yeah, I'm gonna have to find him in a little bit. Nice cage in there. Oh, love the color. The mic is facing me and not the car. Look at that. Now this car too. They probably inside eating. Oh, nope. I spotted a couple. Hey, here he is. What's up?
Finally meet you, man.
Nice to finally meet you too.
Vlog.
Yep. Yep, vlogception. Alright, definitely dope meeting him in person. Didn't add too much there, but I want to at least show some cars because I have had quite a few people tell me they were interested in seeing one of these meets. So I definitely want to get some of these cars for you guys. And I was thinking my next build to be in the BMW World after the Cube, but I may be looking for a BMW project. So stay tuned. Also let me know what cars you think would be a good project for me. I really don't know much about the BMW World other than the 340i and the M340i. I've been really hooked on those lately. And you know I had to get the GTR. So clean. Oh, nice. Nice little spot. Oh. Gotta get the Supra. Looking pretty good. Now this is nice. And that's nice as well. Hey, hey.
Same thing, anyone present it. Try to find a spot for anyone to
That sounds good. I'm probably not gonna do the outside. I haven't seen too many things on the outside, but there's definitely a few. Last E92.
going the wrong way. You're good, brother.
That color, love it. Right. Got the light interior too, looking pretty good. It is pretty hard to pick a favorite. I feel like if I choose the GTR, that'd be cheating. But I don't know. F80 Ho, his F80 is probably my favorite so far. it's dope running into people recognized on YouTube. Even doper when they recognize you too. Shout out to Caleb there. That color is amazing though. Not gonna lie, love it.
I'm working on it. Give me 1 second, all right?
All right.
Don't die.
Still love this headlight mod. One of the best. Don't see too many of these. Let me get some pictures here. Saw this one pulled up.
You think I'm fine here?
Probably.
You okay? That Titan. That color. Pretty dope. Still got a bunch still pulling in, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start mingling a little bit, and I'll record as more cars come and go. Yeah, I could definitely see something like this. Very clean. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Sorry, I spent a few times or a lot of time hanging with the homies and in there eating and everything, so definitely missed a bit. As you can see, it's dark now, but that's pretty much it for the meet itself. But it's definitely dope. I will definitely be coming out again. Everybody was mad cool. Usually at these things they are, but always cool hanging around some like-minded individuals. But yeah, before we end the video, I want to go ahead and do the comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.